Hello, hello, hello. It's Emma Holmes coming in from Rockstar HQ, and I am coming in to talk about how you can use the link in your bio in Instagram in a little bit of a better way. Now, I know that lots of people gravitate towards things like Linktree, and whilst that allows you to have multiple different options in the link in your bio, what it also is doing is not driving the traffic to your website. So you may be losing an opportunity to capture people on a pixel, or for them to fall down the gorgeous little rabbit hole like Alice in Wonderland that might be your website. So I'm going to do a quick bringing together of a Instagram landing page on my own website so that you can see how you might do this and what you might do. Now, the theme on my website is a Divi theme, and it has the ability for you to create call to action buttons. If you don't have the Divi theme and you do have the ability to create call to action buttons, then this is absolutely dead set for you. If you have a different theme that allows you to create call to action buttons, then you're fine. If you have a theme that doesn't allow you to create call to action buttons, then you might want to create imagery based buttons in somewhere like Canva and overlay the URL onto the image of the button. But I'm going to show you predominantly how this can work in Divi. So I am going to disappear to the bottom of the screen so that you can see here my website, which is right there, ready and waiting. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into the back end of the website, which will allow me to create a new page. So I'm going to go to Pages, All Pages, Add New. Now, that is going to open me a new page. I'm going to call it Instagram welcome page, and I'm going to use the Divi builder. So in here I am going to create numerous calls to action buttons that will allow me to show people and navigate them through the different areas of my website. So I can have here listen in to the podcast, and I can create that as the button text. Button URL will be here. So what I need to do is I just need to pop on to the website again and pick up the podcast button URL, the podcast URL that I'm going to pop on the button. And then I'm going to ask it to open in a new tab. And I'm going to just change the colour behind that button so that we've got different call to action buttons. Oh, that didn't put in what I wanted. In different colours, so we can create that button. We can create a button that says shimmy over to the blog. And again, we can grab the blog page, grab the URL, pop that in a new tab, change the colour on there, and we can put 23419 B. 23419 B. Open up that colour for me. Let's grab a different colour. 67C, 7C1. Come on. 67C. She's writing it in the middle there. Thank you. Then we can create another call to action button. Find out more about the hub. And again, we can pull the URL through. In a new tab. You get the gist, don't you? So 6E, 2B, 88. and we've got a number of call to actions. You can keep going. Obviously, you can keep going for as long as you like on those. And what it will create is a page that has got your buttons on it, which then you can place as your Instagram URL. And as long as your website is mobile enhanced and that it is mobile optimized, then these buttons are going to work in the same way as Linktree does. But you're going to get the people over to your website. You're going to get them into your home base rather than into an external place that potentially would lead you to not actually capturing them. So that is how you can create an Instagram landing page on a Divi website that you can then use on Instagram to make sure that you're capturing the people that you want to capture, but also navigating them and directing them to the right place for you. So I hope that that's helped you today. Have an absolutely ace balls day, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.